Hello handcrafters, today I am making my triple butter soap. So I'm adding in my kaolin clay and colloidal oatmeal, which I add to all of my bars to add in gentle exfoliation with the colloidal oatmeal, and the kaolin clay is just to really anchor the scent that I'll be adding in a little later. Plus it gives the soap a nice smooth touch. But the reason why this is called a triple butter soap is because I'm adding mango butter, cocoa butter, and shea butter to it. And I love adding all three of these butters because they're very moisturizing and they help hydrate the skin. They also add a really nice creamy lather that just feels so good and so smooth on your skin. So it's definitely one of my favorites. And I scent it with white tea and ginger, which is a fragrance oil from Brambleberry. After adding my fragrance oil, I always use a spatula to stir it instead of using a stick blender because I don't want to have a thick batter. I want it to pour as fluid and nice as that. I love using this fork to texture the top of the soap. I don't know why I'm so addicted to that fork, but I am. I like how some people use the spoon, like the back end of the spoon to texture. I think that's really pretty. If you're a soaper, what do you use to texture your top of soaps? I'd be really interested in seeing other people's approach to the top, but this is what I do for now. It is now 24 hours later and I am cutting these bars of soap, and let me just say that they are really hard. Cocoa butter, mango butter, and shea butter all add to the hardness because they are butters, and it definitely shows as a smooth looking hard bar, which I love, and it smells amazing. So I really appreciate you guys checking out my video. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, or concerns, please leave them below. Also, let me know how you texture the top of your soaps or what you like to see as a texture to the top of the soaps. And for now, Black Hands are out. Bye bye guys.